Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So I didn't want to miss an opportunity to share this with you. However, for full disclosure, I've not been able to track down the owner just yet. So I don't have all the details on it. However, I still wanted to show it to you, walk through, of course, the obvious examples with it, but really just make this a quick video and just show this sweet Toyota 4Runner here with this awesome wrap on it. I've seen a lot of wraps, and oftentimes, I don't know, I'm always kind of a little underwhelmed with it, but this one I think looks really nice. Especially just, it fits the theme of it. It's that little bit of a camo, right? You can see it. And with all the additional upgrades, it really comes together very nicely, in my opinion. So I wanted to share it with you, see what your thoughts were on it. The thing is with the 4Runner, I think they look so good from factory. I've never, throughout the history of all of my 4Runners, outside of doing like sliders, maybe some, just recently I'm putting KO2s on my Lunar Rock 4Runner. I never really feel the need to upgrade it, because it truly, in my opinion, fits the bill right from factory, especially the TRD Pro, in my opinion. Whereas, you know, this, when I see stuff like this, I'm like, holy cow, I definitely need to do stuff to mine, because it just, I don't know, it just screams awesome. So I don't know off the top of my head, and I should. I don't think these are the Morimoto headlights. I think they're the other brand. I just can't remember what the other one was off the top of my head. But definitely a sleek look with that LED daytime running light bar across the front, which looks pretty incredible. Front integrated bumper, of course, with a 12,000-pound winch. Looks like an Apex. Yeah, Apex front winch there. So obviously with this system, it has not, well, I assume it has not altered his radar adaptive cruise control, the functionality of it. He has his ambers up front there that look great. Dobinson's snorkel there. Got some SSO sliders here, which looks sleek. Fit the bill of the truck here. The SUV. It's definitely impressive. Merca. Trasharoo bag out back with the spare tire swing out. Looks sleek. I'm going to show his plate fully there, sorry. Alright. There's a rack for extra gas cans and whatnot. So he is absolutely ready for some off-road. You got some great clearance front and rear with these aftermarket bumpers. And imagine this is at least a 2.5, 3-inch lift with this setup. And cut fenders, so it's not rubbing, scraping as he's off-roading in the trails. I could focus in there for you a little bit. So yeah, Dobinson's lift kit as well, so likely a 3-inch lift, maybe 2.5 in the rear. I think these are CBI ditch light, amber ditch lights. You can't see this right now, but I'm riding the struggle bus because I just got a bug in my eyeball, but we're powering through it. Alright. I didn't actually focus in on the tires. So these are Nitto Ridge grapplers. As you guys know, I'm quite fond of these on my rigs. So these are, I don't know, I think they're better than the BFG Coach KO2s in my personal opinion. And not to mention, they look cooler, right? You get the coolest sidewall pattern, which is phenomenal. So the size of these is 285/70 17s. And some Vehicle Dynamics Icon wheels. Let me get a better look in there. No, it's definitely awesome. It looks like a roof nest. No, maybe not. So I actually didn't get a good look at the rooftop tent here. There's the rooftop. Might be a go fast. Yeah, so forgive me guys. Don't have all the details on this one, but still didn't want that to prevent me from showing you this sweet 4Runner. If I happen to bump into him, you know, you got his Instagram up there, but I have no service where we're at right now, so I'm not really peeking at anything right now online. There's his Instagram, so shout out New Life Overland. Anyway guys, I made this video plenty long. Appreciate you watching as always. Until next time.